Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me TCL Tab 10L device, and now I'll show you how to set up Neearby Share on this tablet. So, firstly, you need to open Control Panel, then find here Neearby Share, click and hold on it. Wait a while. Enable Neearby Share, and cool, here you can change your device name, for example Tab 10L, click rename. You can change device visibility mode. You can be visible for contacts only, you can be hidden or visible for everyone who use Neearby Share. And you can change data usage mode. I suggest to use data mode because it includes mobile data, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth modes. So that's it. Now you can share data using Neearby Share or receive data. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.